In this video guide, we're gonna see how we can use these realistic models that we can find in polycam.com and import them into Unreal Engine 5 to use them in a interactive application or video game or else. So we're gonna start here with the Polycam first, and if you're interested, you will find other video guides in our channel on how to download, for example, 3D models for Blender so that you can also modify them and you can also share them and publish. If you want, you can create and publish your own 3D model using the Polycam app. So it's an app basically that is going to let you create a 3D model using just your smartphone and taking some pictures. So it's a really, really cool and easy to use, fast, and especially free. So if we are here in the website, you can create your account, and then you have your own space. You can upload your own model. This one here is one that I made in another video guide about Polycam web app. Sorry, this is the smartphone app that will help you to create the model, and then you can export it in GLTF. So in this way, you can essentially bring in your models inside Unreal Engine and create virtual reality, augmented reality video games and whatever. So you can publish it also in the community. And if you go here in the Explore section, this is where all the 3D models are published and you can see them, you can use them, you can download them. Be careful, this is mine, by the way, so I published it not so long time ago. And you can see, just like me, many other users here, they just take pictures of objects in their home or in their office and wherever, and they publish them. Some of those are better and some of those are not so good, but you can try. You can click, you can expand and open the model and navigate here. You have the navigation system there. But again, we created other video guides, so if you're interested in Polycam, you can just search in the channel. You can write your questions and ask for assistance, or you can also write suggestions for other users. Now, this sandwich here is not bad. I think it's really good. It's really realistic because it's actually real, and this is like a real life picture in 3D. So it's like a picture, but from any angles. So if you want to find it, just search for sandwich, or you can search for any other model that you want. Be careful because not all of them are downloadable. You should see on the bottom right a folder with a plus icon. That means that you can add it to your collection. You can see here, if I go in the saved section, I will find the models that I've saved. So I go to Explore, I find the model that I want, I click to open it up, I wait to be loaded, and then when I'm ready, click on the plus icon there and create a new album if you don't have one already, and then you can store different items, different props, different assets in different albums so that you have everything organized for your work or your fun, depending on what you want to do. If you want to use it for entertainment or for something more serious, for industries like design or um, industrial design and interiors, architecture, FX, and whatever. So you go there, export, GLTF, save it, or you can also share it. You can publish it if it's yours, but if you want to just save it, just go to export and save it in a GLTF. That's the only format that you can use if you don't have a pro version. And in the meanwhile, I'm gonna launch the Unreal Engine here, and I'm gonna launch a scene that I can use to import my sandwich. So I have like a nice scene here. I'm gonna show where to find it. It's called ArcViz. It's interior design visualization, and with all of the furniture. So it's really realistic. And if you're interested, you will find an entire video course in the channel, and you can also ask us for assistance again and make your questions or give suggestions. So I'm gonna wait here for this ArcViz interior to load. And just to show you here, if you go in the marketplace, you're gonna find it. Well, it's not loading, so I'm just gonna wait for a few seconds, and then I'm gonna show you where to find this scene here. Now, you can also get additional props and models in the marketplace. For example, in this scene, I've used some twin motion people. They look really realistic. But let me tell you, not realistic as that sandwich. That sandwich is really looking amazing. So I'm gonna go here and I want to import it. You can see I already some assets here, but well, first of all, really important thing, go to edit plugins and look for GLTF plugin. So you have two of these. This one here is an importer. It's a simple importer, so I'm gonna activate it, but it's in a beta version, so it probably is not gonna work properly. And then you have Datasmith GLTF importer. That's the one that I'm using and that is working, so you can test it yourself. Now, this is the scene, by the way. It's called ArcViz Interior. Find all the information here. So if you want to look for it in the marketplace, you will find it. So once you activate the plugin, you need to restart the level and you will find Datasmith. Go to File, Import, navigate into the folder where you saved the exported file in GLTF format from Polycam. So I created a folder here and this is the object. So I'm going to click and right click on the content to create a new folder so that I can keep things organized. I can manage all the different props in an appropriate way. And here I just need the geometry and the materials. I don't need cameras, animation. This is not an animated model, so I just need the mesh, so the structure and the material. And there it is. So it was really fast. So this is the sandwich right here. In the content drawer, you will find everything, textures, materials. And if you wait, it's gonna appear in front of your camera. And there it is. There's a sandwich there, looking amazing, looking realistic, and looking pretty big actually. So probably one of the first thing I need to do here is to scale it down. So not everything can be perfect. So you need to fix things here and there. So I'm just gonna scale this down in the correct size and be careful not to go upside down. And then I'm gonna move it somewhere in the scene. There you go. I'm gonna place that onto the table. It's gonna look really realistic. And the other way you can try is to go to import, but if I do this, I don't see anything here. So the only files here are FBX and OBJ at the moment. So you can also export it into Blender, and then from Blender you can change the format. You can export it again in FBX or OBJ, but this is looking fine. This is looking good. So that's it. That's all you need to do here to import from Polycam into Unreal Engine, really realistic objects. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel for more. And if you want to give us a little thank you, a little support, you can just join the channel as a supporter. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video guide. Check the other courses that we have in the channel. And that's it. See you in the next.